Hey friends, if you wish to fix desktop Windows Manager high GPU usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. The next solution is to turn off hardware acceleration. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Scroll down to graphics, expand advanced graphics settings, and you can turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. The last solution is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.